morning, children. I hope you have understood yesterday's concept of modals. What I taught you in modals? Use of can in different situations, for permission, for possibility, for casuality, understand, for ability, etc. Okay. So can, could and may we learned. Today we are going to learn about will. How will is used. Will is used in our sentences to show. Will is used in our sentences to form future tense. To form future tense. Or we can say will is used to make a sentence in which you are going to do something in future. Say tomorrow, next week, next month, etc. I will go to my grandparents' place next week. Okay, Radha will meet me on Sunday, because today it is not Sunday, it is Tuesday. Okay, and to make the promises in future, I will help you definitely. Understand? In such a case, we use will. To make promises. You will ask your dad, I want bicycle on my boat. I will try to buy. Means your father is going to do some promise to you which is not sure, which is not to be done now, which is fulfilled in the future. Understand? So, I will get it, he says. When will Abhay go to the market? When question, will question. Understand? When will Abhay go to the market in future? When will you submit your notes to me? When will your aunt reach your place? In this way, in future, whatever, whether it's a question and all, whether it is a question or answer, or any of your plan, or you are talking about what to say, your promise in the future, you are using will. And if it is a negative thing, you are using will not or won't. Will Ravi join you for the party? Ravi will not join. Ravi will join me for the party. No, Ravi will not join me for the party. If it is negative, use will not. Understand? Will you come with me? Yes or no answer. Yes or no, like that. In these different ways we use what to say? Will. And here, page number 95. In page number 95, we have one table about Divya's family, which is what the Divya's family is going to do tomorrow. We have to, they gave questions here, we have to answer using will. They have given here questions, we have to answer using will. Okay. So 1 minute. What Divya's family, what Divya's family do tomorrow? This is the heading, and under it in your textbook they have given the schedule of the people of her family. What are they going to do? Here they have names. Divya watch cartoon. Tomorrow she will watch cartoons. Divya's mother visit a friend. Divya's mother will visit a friend, you should write. Divya's father water the plants. Divya's father will water the plants. Divya's brother cook lunch for the family. Divya's brother will cook lunch for the family. Divya's sister work on her science project. Divya's sister will work on her project. Here for everything will you have to add and make a sentence and keep it ready. Divya will, this is the subject and this is the object or predicate we can say. With will it becomes a predicate. For everything, all 5 cases you are adding will here. Then it becomes a sentence directly. Here are the questions. What will Divya do tomorrow? First one, what will, it is all about what Divya's family do tomorrow. Okay, what will Divya do tomorrow? This is the question. This I am not going to give you in the note, typed note. You have to do all your own. Just I am explaining. So here you got Divya watch cartoons. So your answer should be Divya will watch cartoons. Leave a line and then go to the second. What is second question? Will Divya's mother water the plants tomorrow? Will Divya's mother water the plants tomorrow? Will Divya's mother water the plants tomorrow? Answer is, you see what Divya's mother is going to do. Divya's mother visit a friend. So will Divya's mother water the plants tomorrow? No. So you should write Divya's mother no, negative answer you have to write. Will not water the plants tomorrow. Will Divya's mother water the plants tomorrow? Here what Divya's mother does is given here. What Divya's mother will do tomorrow is visit a friend. So she is not going to water the plants. So you should write Divya's mother will not water the plants tomorrow. And third case, who will cook lunch for the family? You see the box. Divya's brother will cook the food for the family. Who will cook food for the family tomorrow? So as per your table, Divya's brother will cook food for the family tomorrow. Tomorrow, future tense. So definitely we must use will with the answer. Divya's brother will cook food for the family tomorrow. So this way we are writing. What will Divya do tomorrow? Divya will watch cartoons tomorrow. Will Divya's mother water the plants tomorrow? Divya's mother will not water the plants tomorrow. Who will cook food for the family tomorrow? Divya's brother will cook food for the family tomorrow. Next, fourth one. Will Divya's brother will Divya's brother work on his science project tomorrow? So what he will do? He cooks food. He will cook food. So no, Divya's brother will not work on his science project. Last one in this. Who will Divya's mother visit tomorrow? Who will Divya's mother visit tomorrow? So our answer will be Divya's mother. You see the table, you will understand. Will visit a friend, not meet. Visit a friend tomorrow. Divya's mother will visit a friend tomorrow. This way you are going to do. And what I am going to do for your worksheet, I will prepare one more such a task for you. You have to, under it I will give the questions you have to do. You are writing this in the notebook as well as what I give. Both you are copying in the notebook. You people are not going copying anything what teachers give. Even worksheets also just copied the questions and left. You have to refer to the textbook, notes and answer the questions whatever given. What is the use of giving you all these things if you don't answer? That's why please, whatever is given, answer. Think that you are in the school, your teacher is going to check everything. Please do right. Okay, after this, one more topic we deal today. So I hope it is clear to you. So one I will show. We are going to make compound words. You know what are compound words? Already we learned. Compound words are the words which are made of two or more words. Bathroom, hairstyle, understand? Paintbrush, washroom, understand? Table, mat, dining table, like this. Two words together make a single word, that is called a compound word. Here on page number 97, page number 97, one I am going to show. In page number 97, we have like that. One is in red color. Understand? For it, so many options were given. Mat, man, side, knob. Understand? So many are there. You have to first make the, here they did not do like that. Just you have to round up. Doormat, doorman, doorknob. Understand? Door side is not a compound word. We cannot do any compound word using door side. So one thing you do, a doormat. B doorman. C doorknob. D, you try to write. You will only understand after writing whether it will suit or not. Door side, it is not a compound word. Then you cross it. Okay. Same way, second one, footpath, footprint, foot table, footstool. In this, what cannot do? Footpath is word, compound word. Footprint is also compound word. Foot table is also is not a word. Foot table will be there. Do you put your foot on the table? No. Footstool? Yes, it is. For wearing shoes, you put your leg on the stool and wear the shoes. In many families, in many houses, it will be placed just beside the shoe rack. Third, head. Head brush, headlight, headphones, headache. So head brush is wrong here. Headlight, cars have headlights. Headphone, you use it with yourselves. Headache, you will get. So head brush is wrong. Backbone, backline, background, backyard. Backbone we use. Farmers are the backbone of the country. Okay. Backline is not there. Background, background of your family. What all about your family? It is called background. Family background. Backyard, open space at the back side of the house. Backyard we call. Hair cut, hair shine, hair dryer, hair spray. In this, what is wrong? Hair shine is wrong. You have to do like this and find out, okay? And leave a line after each one. Bookshelf, bookshop, book writer, bookmark. Bookshelf is right, bookshop is right, book writer is also right, bookmark is also right. Circle the word that does not form compound word noun with the word in color. Then write down the compound nouns formed, okay. So here book writer will not come. So in this way you have to do these two exercises you do for today. That's enough for you. So thank you.